I was banned on Upwork and I gave up on it for 3 years, but after a massive layoff at my previous full-time job, I decided to come back. However, there was a problem. I couldn't get any job for 3 months, but this little trick changed everything for me. Before that I was applying for every job that matched my skills, my interests and my price range. Nothing, not a single interview. I used that long cover letter that I crafted back in the days when I was a successful freelancer on Upwork, and it didn't work. So I decided to take another approach. Instead of bragging about my skills, my experience, talking about my portfolio, I started with a question. I asked what are your likes and dislikes. Then I followed with another question targeted at this exact project. And I asked if they can share examples of what they are looking to achieve. I still shared some links in the end, but I kept the letter very short. And can you imagine, I got the job from the first attempt. It was the first freelance job after 3 months of nothing. Then I used the same tactic to apply for some other interesting jobs, and I got a few of them as well. I don't know if it's a top-rated badge came into play that I got back, but this tactic of starting with a question and keeping it short just works. If you are struggling on Upwork or any other freelance platform, try this and tell me in the comments if it helped you. Good luck!